Many everyday products and goods contain harmful substances. Homes are a significant source of harmful substances. The daily choices of residents affect the amount and types of harmful substances. Harmful substances end up in the sewers, in the kitchen, when cleaning, washing up, and going to the toilet. Not all harmful substances can be removed at wastewater treatment plants, meaning that some of them can end up in waterways. Chemicals can become enriched in the food chain and even end up on our plates. The adverse effects caused by chemicals sometimes only become apparent after a long time. So-called forever chemicals degrade very slowly and burden the nature for a long time. The most effective way to reduce the chemical load is to reduce the consumption of chemicals and buy less. Before you buy, think about what you really need and choose eco-labeled options. Favor products produced in Finland and the EU, where the legislation on the use of chemicals is stricter. Favor natural fibers and textiles. Follow the instructions for use and care. Do not dispose of hazardous waste in mixed waste or drains. Find your nearest hazardous waste collection point at kierrätys.info. Small actions help us protect waterways. Let's build the world's most sustainable urban region together.